Hello, welcome to my Abacus English tutorial. We are doing addition and subtraction without any techniques, and these exercises are for beginner level. In today's episode, I'm going to use under 199 numbers, and if you want to do addition and subtraction with the techniques, you have to watch my other episodes. Please check my description box. And for the introduction about abacus, its values, its finger process, please watch another introduction episode. Link is in the description box. We are going to do these exercises with this big abacus and with this hand abacus. For this hand abacus, you have to watch this video till the end, and I'm starting with this abacus. And so this kind of abacus I have, this is marked rod, and starting from this bead 1 2 3 4, this is 5 and this is 9. If you do this, this is 1 0 10, this is 40, this is 90, and this is 100, this is 190 and 199, 199. We are going to use under these numbers. To move down, beat up, use your thumb. To move down, beat down, use your pointer finger. To move up, beats down, up, beats up, use your pointer finger. This much we are ready to use our abacus. Mark your abacus anywhere. Left some rods on the right side. Right side of the marked rod is used only for division, and we are starting from this rod. This is my marked rod. So let's go number 1. So this is ones place, tens place, and this is hundreds place. So we are starting from this 1 0 0 100. Use your thumb. 1 0 0 100. Add 50. Add 5. Reduce 150. Add 40. Add 50. Add 4. And your answer is 99. Number 2. 100 and 2. 100 position and 1's position. 30 is 10's position. 50 10's position. Reduce 20 and reduce 100 and add 5 and add 102. And your answer is 169. Number 3. 50 and 3, add 20 and 5, add 100, add 10, reduce 150. This is 100 and this is 50, and 101. This is 100 and this is 1. And your answer is 139. Number 4, add 1 4 5, 51, 5 and 1 3. This one is 3, and reduce 105. 100 first and 5. 30 and 110. Add 110. This is 100 and this is 10, and it is 100. So 100, and your answer is 74. Number 5. 2 and 5 25. 104. This is 104. 70 and 50 and 20 70. So you have to do like this. 70. Reduce 130. This is 100 and this is 30. Reduce 51. This is 50 and this is 1. Add 151. 151. Add 10. 10. And your answer is 179. Number 6. 111. Add 5. Add 2 22. Reduce 101. 101. This is 100 0 and 1. Reduce 55. Add 155, 155, reduce 10. And your answer is 177. Number last, 5 4 54, 40 and 5. 100. It's 100. Reduce 55. Reduce 44. Add 45. And reduce 100. And your answer is 45. So let's do these same exercises with hand abacus. Grab your hand abacus with this left hand. I'm right-handed, so I'm doing like this. Put your question on the table. Put your abacus on the question paper. Your marked rod. This is my marked rod, and straight your marked rod and your question. Just open first rod and start from there. If you don't have this button, so you have to do like this and just slide down and put this finger and like this. Between this rod and this beads, you have to slide pointer finger to the right to make zero position of your abacus. So let's start from here. You have to catch your pencil or pen like this and move your finger like this. Okay, just write down your answer and move. Write down your answer and move. So I'm not going to use this pen because it's a little bit disturbing to watch the video. So I'm going to use only my fingers. So let's start at 100 to 50. 5, reduce 150, add 40, add 50, add 4. Your answer is 9999. Number second, 102, 30, 50, reduce 20, reduce 100, add 5, add 102, and your answer is 169. 53, 25, 110, reduce 150, add 101. Your answer is 139. 145, add 51, add 3, reduce 105, reduce 30, add 110, reduce 100. Your answer is 7474. Add 25, add 104, add 70, reduce 130, reduce 51, add 151, and add 10. Your answer is 179. Number 6, add 111, add 55, add 22, reduce 101, reduce 55, add 155, reduce 10. Answer is 177. Last number 54, 45, 100, reduce 55, reduce 44, add 45, reduce 100. Your answer is 45. So hope you like this video. If you want to learn Abacus, please join with me. Subscribe my channel for the notifications, and one like, share, subscribe please, and see you in next episode. Till then, ta-ta!